Hey guys, I'm Rita. In this episode, I will show you how you can record cash sales or other income on LessAccounting. Either you can go through accounting and click on transactions, or if you are on dashboard, click on transactions through that quick link. To record the cash sales or other income, you will need to click on deposit icon here. And now we need to fill in details of this new deposit, which is the ways of you have received the money. So I will add a title of this deposit. So I will have daily cash sales in my case, and I will add an amount. For example, I had 100,045 pounds was my cash sales for day, and I can select when these cash sales or other income happened or occurred. So I will say on 21st, select a financial account for your other income or for cash sales. So in my case, cash sales will go to cash account directly, and I can select income type. There is a list of the ones provided. So in my case, this is regular income. Okay, you can add tags and also can add notes. So I will just put, so I used Shop Limited company to sell my items, so this is my daily sales through them. So you can add that kind of notes here and click save. So now you're brought back to whole transaction screen, and to see your deposits or cash sales or other income, click on deposits only. And now we can see that our daily cash sales here from 21st is recorded there. If we need to delete because it's mistakenly added or something, just select it and delete selected transaction. So this is a way how you can record your cash sales or other income on LessAccounting. If you have any questions or require any further advice, feel free to reach out to me. Also, I have shared the links in the description section below to my LessAccounting tutorial and review of this accounting software. If you have not seen it yet, check it out.